The best way for me to teach you how the set union method and set union operator work in Python is to simply just show you. So without further ado, let's just get started. Let's create a set A and let's put in it elements 1, 2, and 3. And let's create a set B and we'll put in it elements 3, 4, and 5. Now if I can perform the set union method on A and B, you'll see that we get all the elements in set A and all the elements in set B into one set, and it won't have any duplicates because it's a set. So you don't see 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, but you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the set that we created. And just note that we could do B.union A and we would get the same result. In addition to using the set union method to perform the union operation, we can also use the set union operator. It's represented by the pipe symbol, and we can use it like this to get the same result. And likewise, if we do B set union operator A, then we'll get the same result again. However, there is a difference between the set union operator and the set union method. Let me show you. Let's say we want to compare set A to a list, and we'll make that list contain the same elements as what's in set B. So if I compare the two like that, you can see that we get a result you might expect. Essentially, Python turns the list into a set and it compares it to A, and so we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we do A and then the union operator, and then we put that same list there, when we run the code, you can see that we get an error. And that's because the set union operator is only able to compare sets, while the union method is able to compare a set to any iterable. Now that you understand the set union method and operator, you may want to know how to compare multiple sets using the method or operator. To see how this works, let's create another set C, and we'll put in it 5, 6, and 7. If we perform the set union operator on all of the sets we created, you'll see, as you might expect, we have created a set containing all the elements from set A, B, and C without any duplicates. Another way we can do the same thing is by using the set union method. To do this, we write A.union B, C, and we can swap the sets around for the same result.